Alright guys, do you know that AI is currently being used to create virtual humans, make moving avatars from just one single picture, and even used in factories to make the manufacturing process even more precise and flexible? Let me explain. So first up, there's the embodied AI demo, which really shows off how Huawei Cloud is using AI to make factories even smarter than before. Now what you're seeing at the show here is a pair of robotic arms that are actually performing a super complicated task. Now if you look closely, the robotic arms are not just working together, but they are actually putting together two pieces of metal with very fine patterns printed on them. Now the robots have to be super precise in order to ensure both pieces fit perfectly, and with Huawei Cloud AI, the robotic arms can do so without a sweat. In fact, it has an accuracy level of millimeter to micrometer, which is extremely tiny by the way, and they are able to carry out tasks like this at a 99.9% rate, which basically means it practically never fails. Furthermore, in Huawei Cloud's AI, the robot can also learn to tackle new tasks quicker, so this might be useful for products that are evolving at a very quick rate. Now with this level of precision, flexibility and reliability, Huawei's AI allows factories to be able to automate and speed up existing processes by many folds and ultimately reduces the cost of manufacturing. Now next, I actually had the chance to speak to Huawei's virtual human called Sarah. So the virtual human you see here is what you can imagine seeing at malls, banks, convenience stores and more. And you can think of Sarah as sort of a digital assistant with realistic human expressions and movements. Now because Sarah has a human element tied to it, it actually makes people want to interact with Sarah. So you can talk to it, asking any questions, and because it's powered by Huawei AI, it can answer everything quickly and accurately, and in fact, it may even be more accurate than a real human. Now, Sarah is developed on Meta Studio and uses Huawei's Tangu virtual human model, so creating this sort of virtual human is super easy and quick and can be replicated in many kind of scenarios. Finally, another cool demo I tried was creating my own moving avatar with just one single photo. Let me share with you a little bit more about that. Now again, the moving avatar was created using Huawei Cloud's Meta Studio, and all it took was just one photo to create a digital version of myself speaking whatever I typed into the phone. Now what's crazy is that the entire video just took 1 minute to actually generate, and that's super quick. So just imagine this. Imagine you are a content creator and you're just too busy to shoot a video, but right now, all you need to do is type in the entire story you want into your phone and let Huawei Cloud do its magic, and within a minute or two, you have your digital self reading everything you just type into the phone. In fact, the moving avatar supports more than 20 languages, and the lip syncing is actually very realistic. It looks like I was actually reading the entire script. So those are my top 3 favorite demos that I saw at the Huawei Cloud booth here at MWC25. Not only is Huawei using AI to make manufacturing smarter in many new ways, it also allows us to create virtual humans or moving avatars extremely easily and quickly. Now if you want to find out more about Huawei Cloud's latest technology, do check out the links down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.